Good morning, dear ninth standard students. So once again, we are back into the geography class. And meanwhile, be safe and secure at home during this COVID-19. And in the previous class, we had discussed about the rock cycle and the types of rocks: metamorphic rock, igneous rock, and sedimentary rock. So now we will do the continuation of the previous class. In this continuation of previous class, we are going to know the meaning of geomorphic process, to know about internal process, and to understand the plate boundaries. Geomorphic process, the branch of geography which deals with the study of nature and origin of landforms. Geo means earth, morpho means form, logy means study. See, the very title itself we can understand. It is the study of the landform, earth form. This process shape the earth's surface like uplands and lowlands. The geomorphic process are two types: endogenic process and exogenic process. We had already discussed about this endogenetic or endogenic process. In this, we are going to learn purely this study of nature and landforms. We will see now the endogenetic process. The forces coming from within Earth and causing horizontal and vertical movement are called as endogenetic or endogenic forces. See, any force coming from within the Earth, it can be horizontal or vertical. So that is called endogenic process. And it is caused by the contraction and expansion of rock due to variation in thermal condition and temperature inside the Earth. The contraction and expansion of rock happens due to the temperature or thermal condition inside the earth, and it is these movements which lead to land upliftment and subsidence, folding and faulting earthquake and volcanism. Plate tectonics and types of plate boundaries. The lithosphere is divided into huge slabs of rocks called tectonic plates. The word tectonic may be new to us, which means it is relating to large scale movement of Earth lithosphere. They are divided into major and minor tectonic plates. These plates collide with each other to produce mountain ranges or any other irregular surfaces. Collide means clashing with each other. So these plates are clashing into each other and makes or produce mountain ridges or some other surfaces, and this phenomenon is called plate tectonics. And actually this is due to thermal energy from the mantle. Already we learned about the mantle. From the mantle it is happening. Plate tectonics and types of plate boundaries. There are three plate boundaries: convergent, divergent and transfer plate boundaries. First one, convergent boundary. We'll see one by one. These plates move each other, sometimes sync or overlap. Overlap means to extend or partly cover something, so one on the another. The place where the sinking takes place is called subduction zone. Subduction means pushing something, the act of being pushed. So it makes the mountain ranges. Example, fold. The mountain Himalayas are called in the folding types. Next one, divergent boundary. See, in this boundary, the plates pull away each other as the magma pushes from the mantle. Look at the picture. It is pulled away from each other. So it is because of the magma pushes from the mantle. So divergent plates boundary, actually lithosphere is divided into parts. The magma divides. Example, mid-Atlantic range. The next one, conservative or transform boundary. Here the plates slide horizontally pushed to and form a fault or crack. See, look at the picture. It is moved or slided horizontally. and the cracks are up happening from the opposite side. So this is how this transform boundary landform happens. The next topic is movement of continental plates. The tectonic plates float on magma. Due to compressional force and pressure, these plates move upwards, downwards, and to froth. This is called folding. They are in constant motion with an average rate of few centimeters per year. Every year the landforms are moving upward or downwards. It is due to the float on magma, and sometimes it is due to the compressional force and pressure these plates are moving. 140 million years ago, Indian plate broke from the ancient supercontinent Gondwana, then collide with Asia. See, something we may be wondering, our landforms are together sometimes. So the collision with the erosion plate between India and Nepal formed a organic belt. You will see better in the next picture how this happened. See, actually, the olden days, all these lands were together. It is due to the movement of the earth or land plates. It is divided into continents. See, look at the first picture and the last picture. So it is the movement, the land movement are taking place due to the magma. Okay students, that's all for today's class. If you have doubts, you can clarify me through WhatsApp, and please take down the notes from this lesson and clarify with the textbooks. Once again, be safe and secure at home. Thank you.